Hey guys, welcome back to part 3, learning how to ride a motorcycle. So, on the first video, I taught you guys about... What did I teach you guys? It's okay. You'll actually look. No, I'm just kidding. You're gonna be learning the friction zone and rev matching. It's when you'll see. And after that, just after, I also taught you how to change gears. So, second video, I taught you about engine braking and turning while braking, and slow down while you're about to brake. Hello, train. So, let's bring you up a little bit. There you go. Because you guys are going to be watching the road from now on. Every movement that I make is where I'm looking at. So, make sure, keep on track on what I'm looking at. Because if you want to be safe on the road, you got to make sure you look both ways. And you got to make sure you're always ready. You got to ride defensively, not aggressively. Alright, so let's begin. The bricks. The bricks. Okay, so we reached to a stop. So we gotta make a full stop. Let's see what's going on here. We got a car turning in. We have that car wanting to turn left. BMW here is making a left there. He signaled a little too late. He wants to go. Go ahead, buddy. Oh, I guess he's U-turning. Okay. We got a car over there. Do not ever go until you know the coast is clear. And after this car, we're ready to go. So let's go. All right. No matter how loud an engine can be, do not let it intimidate you. Even guys in trucks, even guys with sports cars. Engines are loud, yes, but don't let it intimidate you. So as we come to this intersection here, I'm going to be making a right. So by doing that, I'm actually looking in the mirror to see what's behind me. I should have done that before I entered this lane. Alright, well, let's check here. So, we got a stop light over here. It's a three-way intersection. Always got to look for the pedestrians. Always. Cars are coming at a quick rate of speed. Don't go. I want you to see the whole process so you understand. No pedestrians on this side? Good. And it's red. And let's go. Now, you want to change lanes? Signal first. Look. And cross. Enter when the coast is clear. Now let's go back into the other lane. Carefully, because there's another car over there. That's kind of a... Okay. Guess he wants to be a jerk about it. That's fine. So, let's enter back this lane. Gotta look. Enter. And done. Now, while we're in traffic like this joker, for example, who's very impatient, who can't wait, always be prepared to always be prepared to take action of some sort. As for example, a few people are scared of making left turns. Let's do that, shall we? So let's go. I didn't make it, did I? No, I did not. But that's okay. This is the hardest part usually, when it's making left turns. So it's red, gotta wait. Now it's green, doesn't mean you go. And no, I'm not being sarcastic. If I sound like it, I'm sorry, okay? Alright, so cars are moving. Even though your side is green, their side is green too. So we gotta make sure that when it's clear to go. Also watch out for pedestrians and we're good to go. And there you go. Always take the lane. If you're making a left lane, always enter the inner lane. If you're making a right lane, always enter the inner lane. Follow that rule and you'll be safe. I can guarantee it. Now people are driving a little more calmly because I got a microphone on and a camera, so they don't want to mess things up. They don't want to look like bad guys. So we're at a four-way intersection. Luckily, these cars are doing it for us. The hard work by checking it all out for us. But it's good to check anyways, regardless. You guys already know how to accelerate. You know how to change gears at this point. And at that point, you're doing very well. Speed kilometers 40. Whoops, don't look at my speed. Okay, so if you want to enter that lane, you know what to do. There you go. And there's a bump. Ugh, there you go. Okay, well. Okay, let's make this safe. Good. That's how you do it. Yeah, as long as you're following these rules, well, these safety guidelines, I'd say, then you'll be fine. Now remember, the accelerator should always be in your hand. Don't ever let go. Well, even if it's like an empty road, you never know when a car might come out, right? So always look around, but remember that you're going somewhere. Even at crosswalks, you always got to look both sides, just in case somebody's actually about to cross. They're about to press the button. So you want to make sure that it's safe for you and the others as well, not just you. Because when you're on a vehicle, okay, you see here? Watch this. Good. Good job, sir. You didn't crush me. See, sometimes when that happens, I let go of the gas. You heard that? Press the brake, just in case. Gear down. There we go. And in case you're wondering, in case you want to understand a little better and maybe my instructions are too fast, use the video speed on YouTube. You'll get it. That little cogwheel on the bottom right. Unless you're on mobile, and then it's on the top right, I think. Maybe. Okay, so let's continue. Interesting. What this guy did is he changed lanes on an intersection, which is not what you're supposed to do. But whatever. His license, not mine, right? I don't care. I just don't want him to endanger other people. Alright, well, let's make another left, shall we? We look, see if it's clear. Good. Shoulder checking is very important, even though I didn't do it, but I kind of already knew what the situation was. But if you're starting, shoulder checking is very important. You need to shoulder check. Alright, I'm just checking the line to see if I'm in. Good. Coast is clear. No pedestrian on each side. We're good to go. Alright, now I'm in the other lane. I want to be on the other lane, actually. So let's go. Whoa. Very bumpy. Now, in case you're wondering, see that gap over there? You can definitely fit a bike there. Yeah. If maybe you live in the United States or some other European country, yes, you can do that. But in Ontario, Toronto, you can't. Because that's a dangerous, well, they consider it dangerous. I see it as a little bit dangerous. But I don't know. I'm not in charge of the law, right? Right, I forgot there's only 4 gears. Everybody just wants to go so fast. It's the weekday. It's 3:23 p.m. Everybody wants to be in a rush. But yeah, okay, so there you go. That's, whoa, there you go. You seen that? That was a big little, that was like a big little pothole. Yeah, that's, I don't even know where to begin with that. So try to avoid as many potholes and bumps as you can, because in all honesty, you never know when the pothole is going to be so deep that it could actually get you to crash because a bump that big sometimes can ruin your wheels and your suspension and your back. Don't forget your back. Or your crotch, depending on how you're riding, as for example I am. Engine brake. Check if I'm in gear. Yeah, I'm in first gear. Good. I'm going to be waiting for a while. Put on neutral. Whoops. There you go. We're on neutral. And the car behind me is a bus. Okay, good. He's not moving. That's all you need to check. Oh, and it turned green. All right, let's go, buddy. Anytime you see another biker, whenever you're ready, you can stick out your hand. You can do like a peace sign, you can point, you can do whatever you want. Sorry, I shouldn't be checking on girls. David, stop it. You gotta be presentable. Luckily, I'm just gonna be in this lane. I'm not gonna really leave it yet until I get somewhere that I believe I should enter. But always watch out for the other drivers. Maintain your driving, but always watch for the other drivers, because you never know what another driver can do. Because they're inside of a box. You're on this vehicle. Alright, thank you, bus. Thank you. And there we go. So many bumps. But anyways, okay, I made this video way too long. This is supposed to be an instruction video, but at the same time I'm just helping you guys on how to ride on the street. If I missed anything, make sure to comment any of my videos if I actually missed anything that's important. Do me a solid, write in the comments, say what I missed if I did anything. Or if the video helped out, let me know. I would love to know. Oh. You see, I had my hand immediately on the brake. Ow! Oh, my crotch. I had my hand on the brake just in case that guy was going to make a really weird turn. Or just in case he didn't see me, because motorcycles are way smaller compared to other cars. Makes sense. There's a lot of blind spots in these vehicles. But hey, it happens, right? So, you never know. So as we're here in this intersection, yeah, I won't be going anytime soon. So neutral. There you go. If you want, you can stay in gear for the entire time. I wouldn't recommend it though. Visor up because I'm dying of heat. People are gonna think I'm talking to myself, but they don't know I'm talking to you. Right, guys? Yeah. So, while we're in this intersection, you gotta wait. There's pedestrians there, pedestrian here. There's a car who should have waited. Pfft, impatient. You're impatient too, idiot. I hope he heard me. See that guy? Good idea. That guy right there, he was about to go, but he stopped himself. That's how you do it. And let's go. Now, there's a guy crossing. So let's take our time. You already know how to go slow and fast, right? Good. Now let's go. Okay. Ooh, nice bikes. All right, pedestrian on the right, pedestrians on the left. Now we wait till they cross. Look at these beautiful bikes. Beautiful. Bus wants to enter. Definitely got enough space. Very good. You gotta give respect to the bus drivers. They're doing the hardest things. They're driving the biggest vehicles. One of the biggest vehicles in the city. Oh, my foot. Visor down. There we go. Alright, I need to enter in before the intersection. There we go. So in case you're wondering, other bikes are pretty much the same. If you're ever hopping on another bike and you don't, and it's maybe like the first time you've ridden your friend's bike and what the, I didn't trust you for that second. That was a weird one. So if one day you're hopping on a friend's bike and you're thinking to yourself, "Ooh, nice bike," thinking to yourself, I want to try this bike out. I've already got enough experience on my bike. Just remember, friction zone, rev matching. Always test the friction zone. Figure out where it connects. Figure out where the friction zone actually connects. Once you do, the rest is easier. It'll make it very easy on you, because you want to work with the bike. Because the bike will try to work for you. You're the one who has to tell the bike what to do. But you have to instruct it properly, or consequences, like ruining your gears, burning your clutch, and even worse, wiping out, getting into an accident. That's one thing you don't want to do. But yes, welcome to Toronto. It's a very busy city. But yes, if there's anything that I've forgotten, write them in the comments, and I'll like them if it's a good one. If it's just insults, go away. I don't need insults. I insult myself on a daily basis. Don't even try. But yeah, hopefully this video was informal. But yes, thank you for watching. Ride safe. Take care.